What up, guys? Back with another video. Today's video is pretty simple. It has some parts for the EK. I purchased a Euro R steering wheel and some black floor mats. I was gonna go with the OEM ones, but I don't know. I like these. They were pretty cheap, so I got these instead. But let me show you guys the Euro R steering wheel. Let's set you guys down real quick. So the Euro R steering wheel is basically like the Type R steering wheel, apart from it not having the red Honda emblem. But as you guys can see, it's pretty nice. The only thing I've noticed is this little cover right here has it's broken, so it has a what's it called? Fuck, I forgot what it's called. It just has some Velcro straps on it, but apart from that, it's pretty good. So yeah, this should be a pretty easy install. I've already installed a steering wheel on the S2000, which was pretty simple. So this should be the same. We'll see how it goes. But here it is. Let me set everything up and then we can head out. Okay guys, so we are in the garage. Let me show you guys what we're about to do. So basically, you guys know this. The bolts are right here behind this cover. You know, let me prop this up. Basically, the fucking bit is right there. There's one on this side and then one on the other side, which is this one right there. So you remove this cover right here. Before you take anything off and start messing around, disconnect the, why is it doing that? Jesus. Disconnect the battery just so nothing happens, and make sure your steering wheel's straight. But as you guys can see, the one's right there. Here we go. So yeah, there's one on each side right there, and one on the other side. I ended up disconnecting the battery and everything. So what you're gonna need is a Torx T30, and you're just gonna try and take off the nuts. Sorry, I'm trying to film and record at the same time, but the steering wheel should just come off. You might struggle with it, but the airbag should just come right out. Don't pull it out all the way because you gotta disconnect the sensors and stuff. Whew. Got the airbag off. Make sure the steering wheel's still straight. And I think if I'm correct, this is a 19. I want to say this is a 19. Let me get a 19 and then we'll see. Okay guys, so this is what the steering wheel now looks like. The only thing is my horn doesn't work because this is from an Accord and this is a Civic, so of course it's not gonna work. I'll probably see if I could get somebody who's like good with electricity, see if they could do something about it. But yeah, it looks so good. I got tired of seeing like the regular Civic one, and also the Civic one was broken right here, just had a fucked up part. But I will torque it down. I haven't torqued it down because my torque My torque ratchet is at my brother's house, and I'm not driving all the way over there for it. I only have this car right now, so yeah, I'll torque it later. I just gotta install these little pieces to hold the airbag, and we should be good. But apart from that, it looks so nice. I'll do this, and then we'll get started with the floor mats. So I don't think I showed you guys the floor mats, but here they are. They're just black ones. These are for the rear. This is passenger, and then this is driver. They say EK on them. It's like a Japanese flag. And then these are just the back ones. So right now the two front ones are some like gray ones. They don't even fit right. I'll show you guys real quick. But we'll get started putting these on. I do plan on getting black carpet. I might dye this one just because it's not in a bad condition, but as you guys can see, these are the ones that are currently on there, and then these are the ones that I'm gonna put on. Let me set you guys down that way I can put it on right. So as you guys can see, there it is. Fitment is okay, you know, it hugs it right here, but over there doesn't fit. But you guys can see there's no back ones, so I have to put those. Let me just get all the floor mats, and then we can put them on. So you guys can see, this is the passenger side. It doesn't fit right. This one fits way better. Covers up most of it, so we'll move around. These are the back ones. I have to still put that one just because I didn't reach. But yeah, man, this car's coming along slowly but surely, guys. Just wait on it. Just wait on it. I'll pull the car on in a little bit, show you guys what it looks like. It looks so nice. I'll pull it out, and then you guys can look at it and let me know how you guys see it. But let me fix this rear one. One second. So here we go. This is what it looks like. It looks way better because it looks really dark on the floor, which I like. I hate the gray interior, like the door pads. The carpet's the worst just because I like black carpet a lot. Same reason why I haven't touched this 2000. I like black interior. It's a little bitch to keep hard. Hey yo, what the fuck? But it looks so classic. But the car looks so much better. The steering wheel and everything. I'll put up before and after pictures right now. So you guys can see what it looked like. This car's coming along slowly but surely. But let me pull it out and then we'll show you guys. My audio corrupted, so here I'm just showing you the floor mats. They have been there for about a month. As you can see, they're a little worn. Driver's side is worn. Here's the steering wheel. I'll show you guys it. Show you guys the passenger side. But as you guys can see, it looks better than before. There's the back. The back didn't have any before, but I didn't film an outro for this, so I'm just showing you guys this. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed.